Here, Wiggles. Wiggles likes bottles. Oh, Betsy, you want some too? No, Wiggles isn't going to let you have any. Wiggles can hold his own bottle too. I set the bottle down, and Wiggles got to it, and so I decided I might as well let him have the rest of it. And Betsy wants some, but Wiggles isn't going to give her any. Here, Betsy, here. Here, Betsy. Oh, Wiggles will not let Betsy have any. Come here, Betsy. Come here, Betsy. Oh, silly Wiggles. There's Betsy, though. Hey, Betsy, say hi to your daddy. Say hi to your daddy. Wiggles isn't interested in saying hi. He only wants the bottle. That's all he seems to want. Poor Betsy. She's getting jealous. Here, Betsy.